Whirlpool Corporation. The Whirlpool Corporation is an American multinational manufacturer and marketer of home appliances. Headquartered in Benton Charter Township, Michigan, United States, the Fortune 500 company has annual revenue of approximately 21 billion, 78,000 employees, and more than 770 manufacturing and technology research centers around the world. Type public traded as industry founded founders headquarters area served key people products revenue operating home appliances products revenue operating income net income total assets total equality number of employees website. The company markets its namesake flagship brand Whirlpool alongside other brands as well, including Maytag, KitchenAid, Genair, Amana, Gladiator, GarageWorks, English Estate, Brastemp, Bunchet, Hotpoint, Ignis, Indesit, and Console. Their website also mentions Dikua, Afresh, Accords, and Yumli brands. In its domestic United States market, Whirlpool has 9 manufacturing facilities: Amana Laws, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Cleveland, Tennessee, Slide, Ohio, Friendly. At these American manufacturing facilities accounts at least 5% of the company's employee. Founding and first customer. On November 11, 1911, Louis Upton, who worked as an insurance salesman, and his uncle Humphrey Upton, who owned a machine shop, founded the Upton Machine Company. Following a failed business venture, Locke acquired a patent to a manual clothes washer. He approached Empori to determine if he could add an electric investment from retailing execute Lowell Baseford. They began producing electric motor driven Ranger washers soon after its founding. Louis' younger brother Fred joined the company. Their first customer, the Federal Electric Divisions of Commonwealth Edison, ordered 100 machines, but a fault in the air transmission led the customer to threaten their return. After the machines were cancelled, recalled, and repaired, Federal Electric doubled the order. They remained a customer for 3 years, then they began producing their own washers. The loss of Federal Electric forced Upton to diversify until in 1916 they landed Sears, Roebuck and Co. as a customer. Sears began selling two types of Upton ringer washer under the Allen brands.